In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy on Amazon, an essential skill for anyone looking to streamline their online shopping experience. From creating an account to finding the perfect product, I'm here to guide you through every step of the process to ensure you can shop with ease and confidence. Let's get started. First things first, head over to Amazon.com. When you arrive at Amazon's homepage, locate the Account and Lists option, which you'll find towards the top right corner. Hover over this with your mouse and then go ahead and click on Sign In. Here you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type that in and click on Continue. Next, you'll be asked for your password, so type in your secret key and click once more on Sign In. Now you're all set up and ready to start your shopping adventure. At this point, you're probably ready to find exactly what you're looking for. The search bar at the top of the Amazon website or app is your best friend here. Simply type in precisely what you want to buy. For example, let's say you're looking for a water bottle. After typing in the product name, hit enter or the search icon next to the bar. Now you should see a list of products matching your search. Scroll through and click on the one you're interested in. Once on the product page, you'll often find options to select a specific size, color, or quantity depending on the product. Make those selections according to your preference to tailor the item to your needs. After customizing your product, it's time to secure it. Click on Add to Cart. This doesn't complete your purchase just yet, but it's a crucial step in the process. To finalize your purchase, you'll need to click Proceed to Checkout. Here's where you'll make sure your package arrives at the right location. Select the address you want from your saved list, or if this is your first purchase or you need it sent somewhere else, click on Add a New Delivery Address and fill out your name, street address, city, and any other required information. Once that's done, click Deliver to this address to confirm. Next, you'll choose your payment method. You can opt for a saved credit or debit card, explore payment plans, or enter new card details via other payment methods. Once you have decided, hit Use this payment method to lock it in. Before you complete your order, double check all the details. Look over your shipping information, make sure your payment method is correct, and verify that your chosen product and quantities are as you want them. When everything looks good, you're ready for the final step. Click the main yellow button that says Place your order to complete the purchase, and there you have it, a seamless Amazon shopping experience from start to finish. Thanks for following along, and happy shopping.